In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set global form colors and fonts in Hubspot, and I'm excited to walk you through this process step by step. This will not only help improve your form's appearance, but also maintain consistency across your branding. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button, typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to confirm the code on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hubspot home account. Now from the Hubspot home, navigate towards the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Giving it a click will open up a myriad of settings options. Here you'll want to focus on the settings pertinent to your marketing activities. Next, click on the marketing option from the left-hand menu. This will give you a drop-down with different aspects you can manage regarding your marketing efforts. This is the hub where you can control the details of your hubs and marketing strategies. Now that you're in the marketing settings, look for the forms option from the list and select it. This will bring up all your form related settings and customization options. It's here where you'll be able to globally set how your forms appear to users. It's a powerful tool to ensure that your forms not only function well, but also align perfectly with your brand ethos. Once you're on the forms page, direct your attention to the styles tab. Here you'll find various customization options for your form's appearance. You'll see options for changing colors and typography that will apply to all forms across your Hubspot account, ensuring a consistent look and feel. It's time to focus on the label colors. Click on Label Color under the Styles section. A color picker tool will pop up, allowing you to choose the exact hue that fits your brand. You have the flexibility to select something that's harmonious with your existing brand colors, or go bold with something new. Once you've decided on a color, ensure you save your settings. And there you have it, you've successfully set global form colors and fonts in Hubspot. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your branding consistent and professional looking across all customer touchpoints. With just a few clicks, you can now have forms that not only work well but also look fantastic. Remember, making sure your branding remains cohesive across all platforms is key to solidifying your brand's identity. I hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.